How's this, Squidward?
It's beautiful.
This isn't a sculpture. A good sculpture takes more time. You can't just sculpt willy-nilly. You gotta go by the book. Follow the rules. Otherwise, you'll never get past amateur hour here.
Another trophy?
Oh, great! What's it for this time?
For doing absolutely nothing longer than anyone else. Patrick! This trophy's for you! I hereby propose a non-aggression treaty to end hostilities between our two kingdoms. Patrick, by signing this historic armistice, you have brought peace to our lands. May your kingdom prosper. Well. What are you doing? What about the treaty?
This treaty ain't worth the sand it's printed on.
Oh, is that so? Well, if you think you can take down this castle, my answer is bring it on! I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
Attention, people of Bikini Bottom. You have been cheated and lied to.
I knew it.
The gentle laborer shall no longer suffer from the noxious greed of Mr. Krabs.
Hey, what's that guy talking about?
I don't know, but he's got a megaphone.
We will dismantle oppression board by board. We'll saw the foundation of big business in half, even if it takes an eternity.
Afternoon, son.
Hello, brothers.
Son, we're looking for the maniac.
Have you seen this man?
Oh, it's the maniac! Take him away! Take him away!
Calm down, son. It's just a drawing, not the real thing. Now we're gonna show you this picture again, and you tell us if you've seen this guy, understand?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, horrible!
Stay indoors, son.
And take that cone off your head.